morning, traders. Welcome to Beyond Profile. Today is Wednesday, FOMC Day, April 27th. Yesterday, we broke out on the S&P market out of the balance area, and we actually put a tail in for the day, which closed us right at really close to the top of the prior pivot highs over here from the the end of March, beginning of March, I should say, end of February. Today is FOMC Day, which means potentially a high volatility day because of the history of Ben Bernanke being somewhat transparent today after that announcement at 12:30, and then he's going to talk about it. If in fact this turns into I'm looking right now, this could be a potential probe. We don't have conviction or I should say certainty yet that this is going to be a true breakout. If you look at the volume down at the bottom down here, it's like the old commercial, where's the beef? All right, where's the volume down here? There hasn't been much as we've been pushing back up outside of these areas. What we have to watch for very, very closely today is in fact if this turns and it closes back inside of the value area, this blue box. At that point, we would auction back down through this down to the 1280 level because a failure to go higher, right? If we can't find buyers at these new highs, then we have to bid lower. Just like at an auction, get people to bid lower. If you can't get them to bid on an item at a certain price, they have to bid lower to find out where people would find value in the market. So if this doesn't hold outside of it, I'll be looking for this market to come right straight back into this blue box, the value area. And we've got a high volume node obviously right here on the S&P for the month, which again we're getting close to the end of the month, so that will be an area of significance. So it'll be all focus will be 1327s. We hold 1327s, we could get a bounce, but even from where we stand here, that's still nearly 20 points. That's not a bad little move off these highs. So today, I think again we got durable goods at the open, or I should say before the open, 8:30. Any retracements, I expect some volatility today. I really do. Again, everybody's going to be looking at what he's talking about. Are we going to have QE3? Is QE2 going to really end in June? All of those questions need to be answered today, and the market will, move on that event. Can we go higher? All things are possible. All things are possible. If he turns on the printing presses again, who knows what the market will do? Will they take that as positive news or will they take it as negative news? So on days like today, it's trade very cautiously and wait for, obviously, the dust to settle, if you will, and then hop on. This morning, I think we could probably get, we've got some divergences forming pre-market on the S&P at 47s. I think we could roll this back to the 41, back to settlement for a quick 4 or 5 point trade. I don't think that is going to be too far out of the question here this morning. So no volume on the breakout. Let's look at another market here for a moment because the bonds yesterday were continued strength. Bond market actually coming in a little bit this morning, but you can see we broke out yesterday out of this stage 3 consolidation we talked about, getting the continuation. It got to the first target objective. Second one would be here, 122.20. Little pullback today, and again, bonds rallying with the equity markets. All right, so those of you saying that doesn't happen, well, you had it yesterday again. All right, so you got inflow of money coming in both the bonds and the equity markets moving. So that's why you can't say, well, if equities are going higher, bonds got to go lower. Here's another one point in case that doesn't always hold true. All right, so bonds are higher, right? Bonds are higher, and I'm looking at also oil. We got to watch oil. Oil's back down. Actually made push back to the was it 13s last night? Not quite. No, it's still balancing up here. So again, a lot of this is going to be dependent upon what he says today. We could have a 100-point correction down in the NASDAQ today. Who knows? All right. Like I said, anything kind of goes on days like this. Is it buy the rumor, sell the news day? Meaning that all the expectations of what he's going to say is already built into this, and if he doesn't surprise them with anything more than what they're already expecting, then the chances of us selling off on whatever he's going to say is very probable. Okay. So keep your powder dry. Like I said, be very careful around 12:30 today. If you've never traded FOMC, you want to be sitting on the sidelines because you can get chopped up really bad on days like this on the FOMC announcements. Okay, folks, have a great trading day, and don't forget, if you haven't taken a free trial into the room yet, please be sure to sign up for that at our website at beyondprofile.com, and we'll see you in the room. Have a great day.